Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WandererBhardwaj. I am your host Bhardwaj. Are you planning to visit Chardham Yatra this year? Do you know Uttarakhand government has made registrations mandatory even this year? So in this video I'll guide you how to register yourself and your family for the Chardham Yatra 2023. So let's continue. I will talk about few important steps before I go into the actual process of registration. So if I go into any browser and search for Chardham Yatra registration, in that case you will get few options on the search. Then make sure you always open a website which has .gov.in so that whatever information you get is official and from the government. Do not open any other website from the search. Now let me open the Uttarakhand government tourism website. So in this one you can see that the Chardham Yatra registrations are open for pilgrims and the opening dates for the temples are as mentioned. Yamnotri Dham is opening on 22nd of April, Gangotri Dham is on 22nd of April, Kedarnath is on 25th of April and Badrinath is on 27th of April. So this is the first information which I get on the registration website. As soon as I press on continue, then you get on the website. So this is a single website for all your services. Like you can check for hotel booking, puja booking, vehicle registration, heli services. There are few changes on the heli services, that is why I'm not talking about in this current video. Now let's go to the second thing. This entire registration is free. No one will charge you a single rupee. So this is important and this information is on the official Uttarakhand government website. So there is no fee involved in the tourist registration process. So registration is free of cost, and if anyone is charging, please do not go for that. You will be scammed. And you have to carry a valid personal ID proof. So Aadhaar, PAN card or similar documents you have to carry during the yatra. Now, what are the official modes of registration? So as mentioned here, we have few options. First of all, online through this web portal which I am currently using, we have this one of the options. Then through the mobile application Tourist Care Uttarakhand. So I will guide you on this process as well later. Third process is through WhatsApp, and there is a mobile number where you can do the process. I'll guide you through this process as well. Alright. And for any information regarding the yatra, you have to always refer to this Uttarakhand government official website for Chardham Yatra. And last but not the least, you also have few physical registration points in Haridwar and Rishikesh, so which are mentioned on this website. So as of now we just have 4 points where you can go and register physically. But of course wherever you go you will need your physical IDs in terms of Aadhaar card, PAN card. So a biometric registration would be done for you on these places. Alright. Then let's talk about the registration process itself. So in the next video I'll guide you how to register yourself and your family for Chardham Yatra. Now I will guide you through the WhatsApp facility for registering. So if you see this mobile number 83948333833, so you have to save this number in your WhatsApp. And then I'll go to the WhatsApp screen on the next steps. So I've already saved this Uttarakhand tourism number. You can see this is the official number, and you can get all the information which is present along with these details. This is the official website, this is the official number. Then what I need to do is I need to send a code here. Then in this one you will get to see, you have to choose the number of tourists who is traveling with you. So let's say I choose 1. I need to choose the mode of travel. So again I choose by road. I have to specify the date in DDMM format for Yamunotri. So let's say I say 15th June. Then for Gangotri, 17th June. For Kedarnath, I specify, let's say 19th June. For Badrinath, let's say I specify 21st. Then I have to specify the name of single pilgrim. Then I have to specify the age. Then I have to specify the gender. Then I have to choose the country. Then I have to enter the Aadhaar card details. Then I have to specify the state I am coming from. So here is the entire list of states, but you read the message here. I have to specify just the code of the state from where I am coming. So let's say I type in Delhi. Then I have to specify the district. I have to specify the city. I have to type in the address. Then I have to specify the name of the emergency contact. This is important, the person who is not traveling with you. So whenever you are traveling to Chardham Yatra, you have to specify a name and of the person who is not traveling with you. So let's say I type in some details. Then I have to specify the emergency contact number. This should be belonging to this person. Then I have to specify the relation which I have with the person. Then I have to choose my medical condition. Again, another question for medical condition. Again, another question for medical condition. Then I have to specify no. Then I have to specify the mode of travel. So since I had selected road, that is why I am getting these options. So let's say I choose taxi. Then this is the last option. Do you want to confirm your registration? Then I choose yes. Then you get this message that your registration is successful and the registration slip is generated. So you can download the registration slip and open the file. You'll have these details, like this is the Yatra slip, so you can see your QR code, you'll have a unique registration number, group ID, destination, and all those details which you had mentioned. So do read these important instructions, and you have to carry few things. So you have to specify, you have to adhere to these documents. Alright, so that's all about registering through WhatsApp. If you have any questions related to Chardham Yatra 2023, you can put your question in the comment below, or you can message me in Instagram. If you found this information helpful, please like my video and share it with your friends and family. For similar content in future, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Until we meet in next video, tada!